Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. A huge welcome to my subscribers, the old and the new. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. If you are also interested in making money online, please do subscribe to the channel for related content. So today I'll be talking about surveys. Now surveys are a really easy way of making money online because it doesn't take much of your time. But the problem is with surveys is that they usually don't pay much. Some pay in points, some pay cents. So I've tried out most of the surveys that are available, but obviously I'll be just focusing on the ones that I find value in doing them. So for today, I'll be speaking about YourView, which is another research community um, type of company that just pays you for answering online surveys and giving your point of view on a different topics. So they basically reward you in points, and every point is equal to 1 rand. And once you have accumulated 30 points, you are able to redeem. And when redeeming your points, you can choose to get airtime, Woolworths voucher, or cash. All right, so if you go to, let's see how much they've already paid out. You can just go here. So it just shows you how much they've been able to pay out since they have established the service site, which was established in 2017. And so far they have paid 148,000 Rand in cash and the airtime and the vouchers. So it is a legit survey. And in order for you to sign up, you need to go to yourview.co.za. I'll put in the link on the description box in order for you to join. And you can just sign up over here. And then let me just log in so that I show you guys how much I've made and how much I've accumulated so far. So let me just log in quickly. Okay, so if there are surveys that matches your profile, which you have to complete when signing up, so that you get matched to surveys that actually go with your profile. So you will get the surveys here. It will tell you the available surveys. So for now, there are none, right? So what they usually also do is send you an email notification if there are new surveys, but they don't always do this. So it's important to always check on the survey dashboard for any available surveys. And then in terms of what I've accumulated so far, so right now I have 205 points. So these points are equivalent to 205 Rand. And that's not to say that this is how much I've made since I joined, because I have withdrawn some points for airtime. So if you go here, you can see that I withdraw about 60 Rand. Yeah, I withdrew about 60 Rand for this period. And then I made a withdrawal of airtime as well for about 30 Rand. Now, what I love the most about this service site is that they also give you bonuses. So this 50 Rand was actually a bonus for me completing about 10 surveys for my profile. So it was these surveys that I completed, and they just rewarded me with 50 Rand for completing all of them. Now 50 Rand is a lot of money, especially if you're not going to work for it. And it's just a reward that you get for doing what you're supposed to be doing on this website, which is completing surveys. Now, in terms of withdrawing, you can withdraw for airtime, like I said, but then it starts from 30 Rand. You can get a Takealot voucher, a Woolies voucher, and you can only withdraw cash if you have accumulated 250 points or more, which I have not. But it is possible because the number of surveys that they have available, um, there's quite a number of surveys that they have available. You just need to put in the effort, put in the energy, and put in the time, which I usually don't do, and that's why I am sitting on 205 rand. I could be sitting at 350, for example. So yeah, this is the survey site, and yeah, you don't get paid for referring people or anything like that, or you don't get to pay them in order to do surveys. Because I know that there are some sites where you have to pay to gain access to the VIP section. No, I don't believe in paying, especially when it comes to online. Especially when it comes to making money online, I just believe that you should not pay to get paid. All right. And then if you want to learn more about your view, you can obviously check out their website. You can see the FAQ, and you can just read more on what they are about. You can check out the reviews, and yeah, you can join the site and earn free money. So basically, guys, this is a game changer in terms of completing surveys, because the money that you get is real money, and you could use this money maybe if you can accumulate it for the whole year. You can imagine how much you could potentially have. It could even go up to 1,000 rand if you are consistent and you put in the energy. And 1,000 rand goes a really long way, especially in these times that we are living in. So we need to try and save and earn money from different streams. No matter how little, no matter how small, it does make a difference. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much.